Hello, nice to meet you again. Are you okay? Prepare your pet a beautiful outfit for Christmas. Now, let's go to today's video. Is your cat so ugly when he sleeps? That's mine. Let me eat first. No page for you tonight. My mom won't let me play with you. Moderate water temperature. I will take a shower. What are you doing with my lair? This big monster is my friend every night. I feel a little pressured. Try every day. Good job! A battle of the warriors. Sorry, the brakes didn't work in time. As long as there is food, I am always ready. Human, I need assistance. Mom, I want to play with her ball. Wow, so many cats! He is sitting as if he had a hard day at work. How to remind him that this is dangerous? What the hell? You are so annoying. The weather is too hot. Come on, buy fruit. I will give you a discount. Wait! To have the cat not be sad anymore, please click like for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, click like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give me a comment or compliment because it will make me very happy when you guys care. Goodbye and see you again.